Foreignoid, the environment legend.
Muntinlupa City! Ang mga kasama at sila ang patibok ng mga taong naglalakad sa ilalim ng araw at patibok sa mga kababayan natin dito ngayon. Foreignoid, Liapa, Innovation! Kaya ito na! Gusto niyo na ba? Ngayon na, kilalanin natin sila. Team Studio, asa na ba sila?
Mga Democrats, here are Foreignoid for today. Foreignoid number 1.
Annyeonghaseyo! Mabuhay na Marcas! Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Hanyu Kim mula sa Korea. Ako po ay natutuwa na makita kayo lahat dito. Maraming salamat po. Mahal ko kayo!
Foreignoid number 2.
Mabuhay! Buenos dias, Damarcats! Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Ako si Raul Yanuchokoyo mula sa Madrid, Spain. At guys, sobrang masaya ako at nandito ako ngayon kasama kayo. So, maraming salamat. Muchas gracias and let's enjoy the show!
Mga Democrats sila ang mga foreigners natin ngayong araw, all the way from Korea and Spain.
Maraming salamat rin po sa idak ng sining dash para sa ipinakita nilang mga isa itong...
Ito ba yung pinag-bomba party?
Hindi ba di? Paula! Ito yung sayaw
Paula!
para sa mga kababaihang mula sa mga province.
Hi! Hi!
Thank you very much, guys.
Shout out to mga Democrats. Wow, I'm excited to share the stories about the Filipino culture with our foreigners for today.
Oy, Arboni, ikaw ngayon na, no, you're not gonna be the foreigner today, ha? You're gonna be the one helping us, giving them a tour. Ready?
I'm half of course. So half foreigner are really.
Yes.
Your dad is a Filipino. Tatay ko Filipino. Tatay Pinoy. Mommy, American.
Okay, but you've never lived here.
No, never. So just the first time since last year.
Alright, so sama-sama tayo to learn together.
Yes.
Okay.
Meron pa tayo isang kasamang foreigner. Ay, mukha lang pala! Sige pala, foreigner. Pero ito mga
Wally!
tingnan muna natin
Wally!
yung background.
Oh, yan na.
Bagay yung mga background natin. Ito, parang nakikilala ko to. Parang sa Liga, ano? Kind of looks like it.
Yan ba yung Calle Crisolo?
Yes. That's a World Heritage Site.
I haven't been yet.
Well, if you get to Calle Crisolo, there's a lot of interesting things there. You can witness yung mga the Abel Ilocos, the weeks, the
Ay,
members.
Siyempre, si Paulo eh.
Vegan empanada.
Picture ka na. Ano na ko? Come, ayun o.
Hindi, wala. Shoutout na natin yung mga Democrats natin sa...
Sabihin mo, Paula, kami
At ito pa.
Oh, magalit ka.
Tito Paul Volcano.
Yeah, partially you can see
Sige, Mama, Paula, ma-picture.
right there. So, there's like iba yung
Ayoko,
babaw
ayoko,
na
ayoko.
plano.
Paula, ma-picture!
pag tinignan niya yan,
Pablo, crush kita eh.
Sour Ruins, it's
Picture.
right beside Mayon Volcano in Tili, Albay.
I need to go.
Ayan na.
Nakapagkarera na ako, I joined one triathlon na finish line nandun sa Sour Ruins. Kaya very memorable sa akin.
Sana makapagaling kami chance soon. Pero ngayon, mga Lumbercats, kilalanin po natin mga foreigners na nakaibig sa Pilipinas.
Wow! Picture tayo. Ah, ganon. Ganon daw, ganon.
I'm doing good.
How is your name again?
Hyun-yul.
Hyun-yul. And then what's your nickname then?
Yul. Pwede naman.
So, you've been here 6 years.
7 years.
7
Yeah.
years.
Picture.
What brought you to Manila?
First time when I was here, my father told me to learn English and then become a global talent. So he sent me here in Manila 2015. So I started to study here. Yeah. And then after that, when the pandemic happened, I went back to Korea and served the military.
Oh, how was that experience in the military?
It was very hard, and then you're being in the military base, and then you have no freedom, but you also have experience, and then very hard learning from there.
Well, now you're back in the Philippines, and you seem to have perfect English already.
Oh, thankfully, and then I'm still practicing more. Yeah.
How about Tagalog? Do you know how to speak Tagalog?
Before I go to military, I knew some, but when I started the military, it was reset.
Hindi nga siya makalabas
But
eh.
now
Hindi ako makadaan eh.
I'm trying to practice.
What words do you know? Yes,
Mahal kita. Pogi.
Uy, huwag mong pagsunurin yun, delikado yun, mahal kita, pogi. Isa-isa lang.
What other word?
No, he didn't understand. I was saying to the reason they're laughing. Be careful when you say mahal kita, pogi. Give space because the pogi might think you're saying it to him.
What was it like living in the Philippines as a Korean?
Parang ginawa ko ng...
Living in the Philippines, actually, people are mostly what I like from here is people. Everyone has a warm heart and then very hospitable.
Yeah.
That's why I was also able to open my heart easily to my friends.
So you're staying in Manila? What places have you visited outside of Manila?
Outside of Manila, since I like traveling, I try to go Cebu, Bohol, Boracay, Siquijor.
It's beautiful beaches.
Yeah.
I love it.
Beaches.
Have you tried any of their local delicacies? Do you remember anything from Cebu that you ate that's your favorite?
Cebu lechon. Very, very juicy and then very fat also. Yeah.
Salud? You tried?
I wanted to try before, but when I opened the eggshell, I contacted eyes. So I haven't tried it.
Did you go face to face with the embryo?
Yeah, that's why I gave it. So maybe one time I'll try it soon.
I think so. I didn't grow up here, but I had to do the loop. I felt like it's a rite of passage.
So how was that experience for you?
How was it? It's okay. You know, one time only.
One time only.
Yo, what's your favorite Filipino dish? Out of all the food that you mentioned.
Uy, Barus!
Until 2 years ago, it was.
Ayokong picturean eh.
But since I started working out as well, I try not to find the oily food. So now it's dinuguan.
Sisig to dinuguan.
Ang hagad talaga sa
Inner part, I think.
Oh, really?
Intestine.
Oh.
Isaw? You know
Isaw din, yeah.
Oh. Oh. She hasn't tried it yet.
I'm scared of that.
Can you tell Arbany about your isaw experience?
Isaw is very with the bouillon vinegar.
Bouillon.
It's better. Savory. That's why.
I have to try it.
Next week might be a good time.
I will try balloons. I will try it.
So invite me in the dishes like
That's a deal right there, okay? Alright. Okay, so Yul, let's learn more Filipino words. Are you ready?